The effects of that blizzard are still being felt here in Southern California, too.
Air travelers remain stranded, and CBS 2's Joy Benedict reports sometimes the difference between making a flight or not was a matter of inches.
There was a little less hustle at LAX. That's because a lot of passengers weren't getting anywhere fast. Flights were delayed, canceled, and canceled. In fact, for those heading east, whether you made your flight at all had little to do with time and a lot to do with inches.
14 inches. It seems like a lot. It is a lot for us. We don't usually get that much snow.
Like 24 inches, so it's pretty bad.
Carol Alves and her friends have been trying to get home to Jersey since they left Thailand on Thursday.
We were in Bangkok and we had to take a connection into China, and unfortunately everything on the East Coast was frozen.
LA wasn't even on the itinerary.
And we just wanted to get to the US, to be honest with you.
So you took the first flight you could?
Yeah, anywhere. Kansas, LAX, whatever. America.
The rush? Alves turns 30 on Monday.
So this is not what I thought my 30th birthday was going to be like, but you know, it's a story.
And travelers all over LAX had similar ones.
Well, this flight's been delayed for a couple hours, which means that looks like we're going to miss our connection.
And that's the bigger issue. Although heavy snow closed airports in D.C., New York, and Philadelphia, it's also stranded planes, affecting thousands of flights to everywhere. But still, passengers were hopeful.
Airport's open. Yeah, we should be fine.
But despite the frustrations, the cancellations, the delays, the rerouting, passengers we spoke with here at LAX say they're not mad, because being mad isn't going to get them home any faster.
Our biggest issue is, will we be able to get into our driveway?
You didn't pack a snow shovel in there anywhere?
No, not yet.
Alves doesn't have a shovel either, but she doesn't need it because now she is stuck in LA. And with her birthday here, she says she plans to make the best of this latest delay.
We're going to go to In-N-Out. We've never been.
Joy Benedict, CBS 2 News.